Hey, this is Glenn. I just wanted to kind of shoot a quick video here to share with you a little tool that I use quite often when I want to send something to someone and I want it to be more than just an email or a text. There is a Chrome extension called Loom, Loom for Chrome. It's this little logo right here. And when you do it, what it does is it allows you to share your screen. You can have a video of yourself or you can shut this video off. But you can actually make a quick little video with your computer, with your face, or a combination thereof. So if I wanted to send someone a video talking about this thing that I'm seeing here on my video, or if I want to go over maybe with a potential client, a document here and to explain some of the technical parts of them. Maybe I want to go over a presentation on PowerPoint and just kind of tell them some things that I want to talk to them about, like maybe share with them that Pharrell Williams has been sued for his website being not accessible for a blind person, or Rihanna's. It's just a cool little tool that once you're done and you have made your little presentation of what you want to send with a customer, you literally just click this green check mark here and it's going to finish the recording. It's going to automatically copy to your clipboard this little Loom URL. You can go, create an email, send it off to somebody, and away you go. So it's a great little service if you need to do something a little bit more than an email or a text. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.